Hi, Llewellyn here. Well, I think it's probably the best way to answer your question is to quickly record this. So you're asking how is it writing the SQL files? So what I'll do is I'm going to copy exactly this code and just run it and then explain to you how it works. So here I have that code now in my IDE. Basically pasted it in here, and as you can see, it said my file name is dbgenerator_all.php. In the file you'll see it opens files, and then it checks whether that file was opened. If not, it gives an error or a sort of a message, and then it loops through things and it starts building certain variable arrays. And then at some point it actually writes to that file. So file write, and then when it's finished it closes it. And so it continues doing for various files, various places. So this is the whole file, and this is the truck maintenance file. And so if you go through the script that I've added there in our canvas area and just run it locally, you'll see how it writes, but I could quickly show you anyway. So let me run it in a browser. Now before I do, I should tell you where it will store those files by pointing to this Champlin folder and then the file name. So from wherever you run this file, it will create this, well, you should create this Champlin folder in the same directory, create that directory, and then it will actually create those files automatically. So I've already created that folder, and so I'll just run the files, the script, and then open that folder. So here I have that folder open called Champlin. Just minimize that a bit so you can see it. So I have my folder Champlin. Now I'll open the browser to run the script. Paste it in there and done. That's as fast as it should take. So now you should see the employee SQL file, the whole file, the manifest file, the trailer, the trucks, the maintenance. And if you open those files, you should see the insert values of every, basically insert into employee, and to these columns, these values. So this is not for MySQL, but SQL, the Microsoft SQL. I used it for a class I did on that. But yeah, so the actual relationships in terms of the actual number of the employee and everything, it is well orchestrated to actually link correctly. So when you read about a haul and the trailer and the truck and all the, the types of things it can transport and where it should go when, it actually is data that is, although random, is synced so that it makes sense and looks like a real transportation company. So when it says these things and you would put them into the SQL tables, they actually link up, and that's really what I did. I just wrote the script to generate this generic data, but that the data itself would still make sense. I don't know if that's helpful or useful. I hope that answers your question though. Have a great day. Cheers.